Hello and welcome to Bunk Analysis. This episode of Coast to Coast AM featured two different guests. The first guest was Linda Selvin, who is a PhD in metaphysics and healer, reader and channeler. Her first psychic prediction was that her airplane would crack during flight. Well, great job, but I also have flown before and wondered if the plane would make it. It usually does for most people, but now she gets some confidence trip from a coincidence. She can now apparently pull negativity out of a client by holding their hand. This negativity is stored in the cellular level of the body somehow. I guess this means she must have to cut open somebody's hand to heal them because skin is dead cells on the surface. I don't think dead things are negative or positive, they're just dead. Another trick up her sleeve is candle magic, the wonders tool which apparently helped an old man heal a spot on his lung. In other news, an injection of salt water in the bloodstream can alleviate pain, and a sugar pill can alleviate all sorts of problems in some people. It's called the placebo effect, and it has been tested in thousands of trials. Candle magic just does not measure up to the light of basic research because we do not know if it was truly effective or just a placebo effect from heightened expectation and belief. The next guest on the program was Marshall Clarfeld, who is continuing in the legacy of the late Zecharia Sitchin. Sitchin postulated that man was created by genetic engineering from an alien race called the Anunnaki. Don't mind evolution, I guess. Strange. This would go under the category of intelligent design, which is pretty much dismissed by science today. There are a handful of scientific papers on intelligent design, but thousands upon thousands which uphold evolutionary theory. If other critters evolved, why can't we be evolved too? Now apparently these Anunnaki visitors helped ancient civilizations build the magnificent structures we see today, including the pyramids, the Parthenon, and Chichen Itza in Mexico. Okay, just because we don't have the blueprints in ASCII up-to-date format with all dimensions labeled does not mean aliens built them. People back in ancient times knew how to build homes, and then as the state of the art evolved to build bigger and more diverse things, builders were definitely capable of doing more than just sitting on their thumbs. Typically in a thriving civilization there is a large surplus of energy which enables huge projects like the pyramids. Hence there are plenty of resources enabling diversification and specialization of trade, which enables complex projects to be completed by just plain old humans. Aliens coming here and departing would require an enormous energy investment on their part. I would argue that there is no fuel which could accomplish such a feat. Neat story though, especially when it can pay your mortgage. Thanks for listening, and take care.